It was 5th November 1870. Chittaranjan Das was born in Calcutta. He was the son of Bhuban Mohan Das and nephew of Durga Mohan Das, the Brahmo Samaj reformer. They belonged to well-known Das family of Bikrampur. Chittaranjan Das was at Middle Temple during 1890 to 94. In London, he had befriended with Sri Aurobindo Ghosh, Atul Prasad Sen, and Sarojini Naidu, among others. And together, they promoted Dadabhai Naoroji in the British Parliament. In 1894, he came back to India and enrolled himself as a barrister of Calcutta High Court. He married Bashanti Devi, who was also deeply involved into the freedom movement and was the first woman to court arrest in non-cooperation movement in 1921. Chittaranjan Das successfully defended Sri Aurobindo Ghosh on charges of involvement in the Alipur bomb case in 1909. Around 1917, he took part in the agitation against the government policy of internment and deportation under the Defence of India Act. In 1918, Das opposed the scheme of Montagu-Chelmsford reforms as wholly inadequate and disappointing. During early phase of non-cooperation movement, 1919 to 1920, Chittaranjan Das became a leading figure in Bengal and initiated the ban on British clothes. He sacrificed all his luxury and set an example by burning his own European clothes and wearing khadi. The Congress Volunteers Organization took a leading part in the boycott of the visit of the Prince of Wales in 1921. In its repressive measures, the government declared the organization as illegal. Chittaranjan Das decided to defy the arbitrary government order. He was arrested and sentenced to 6 months imprisonment. After his release in 1922, he was elected president for the Congress session at Goa, but he resigned his presidency after losing a motion on no council entry to Gandhi's faction. He then founded the Swarajya Party with Motilal Nehru and others in 1923 to express his uncompromising opinion and position. When the Calcutta Municipal Corporation was formed, Chittaranjan Das became its first mayor in 1924. But his health began to fail due to overwork. He went to Darjeeling to recuperate his health and stayed at Sir N.N. Sirka's house known as Step Aside. Mahatma Gandhi visited him and stayed with him for some days. It was 16th June 1925. He took his last breath. The contribution of honorific Deshbandhu, the friend of nation, will be remembered forever.